Hey guys, GPG Eating with GPG, yo, it's back. Today's episode, we're gonna do some Dairy Queen ice cream. Not ice cream, Dairy Queen chili dogs. Chili dogs from Dairy Queen. Some chili dogs, guys. We're gonna try a chili dog. Oh yeah, this looks good. Chili dog from Dairy Queen. Chili dog. Mmm. 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 This is good. BQ. This is good. Dairy Queen, guys. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna finish this last bite. This is good. Eating with GPG chili dogs from Dairy Queen. I'm out. Peace. Got a soda too. Try some of that. Thank you guys for watching. This is the gameplay gamer. I'm out. Good. Chili dogs. Dairy Queen chili dogs. Peace out, guys. Bye.